In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the date in Evernote. This is a really simple but powerful little trick that can make your notes much easier to organize and review later. Adding a clear date stamp helps you see when you captured an idea, when a meeting happened, or when you last updated a checklist. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, start by opening Evernote and navigating to the note where you want to insert the date. This can be an existing note or a brand new one. If you're creating a new note, just click to add a note and give it a title that makes sense for what you're working on, like meeting notes or daily journal. Then click into the body of the note where you normally type. Make sure your cursor is exactly where you want the date to appear. You can place it at the very top if you're starting a fresh entry, or in the middle of a note if you're adding a new dated section. Once your cursor is in place, type a / followed by the word date, all as one word. So you'll type /date. As soon as you do that, Evernote will show you a small menu right next to where you're typing. This is Evernote's /command menu, which gives you quick shortcuts to insert different elements into your note. On that small menu, you'll see an option labeled current date. This is the one we want. Go ahead and click on current date. The moment you click it, Evernote will automatically replace the / command with today's date, formatted according to your account or system settings. You'll see it appear right in the note, exactly where your cursor was placed. From here, you can continue typing your content right after the date. For example, you might press enter to start a new line and then write out your notes, tasks, or journal entry for that day. If you like to keep your notes structured, you can repeat this process whenever you add a new entry on a different day, so each section clearly shows when it was created, and that's all there is to it. Open a note, type /date, select current date, and Evernote does the rest. Use this anytime you need a quick, accurate timestamp inside your notes.